Morning. Another day, another real world test. Today, we're going to be doing it on the ASUS ROG Phone 3, their new high-spec gaming phone with a crazy 6,000 milliamp battery in here. Now, if you're not familiar, real world test on this channel is where I go through my normal day as I normally would. My SIM card is even in this phone. I'm going to use all the normal features that I usually do. If you don't see me use them, it doesn't mean I wasn't using them. I'm just not filming it. But then we're going to check it on the battery throughout the day and see how it's doing. I imagine it'll do pretty well. 6,000 milliamps is a lot, but we'll see. And then also, I will take photos on it and some of its competitors and put all that up on the screen so you guys can kind of check it out and see how it did. But as is the usual, first things first, I need coffee.
Hi. How's it going?
How are you?
Good.
Coffee. Check. Made it to the coffee shop and met my dad here. We're gonna hang out for a little bit and then I'm gonna get a little work done. And then I'm probably gonna head to the studio because we finally just got an air conditioning for our filming studio, which I'll show you guys in a sec. But somebody needs to set up the Wi-Fi and smart stuff so that we can turn it on before we get there because it is ridiculously hot in there and none of us can film in there until we figure out the air conditioning situation. So let's go do that in a sec, but for now, checking on the battery like we do. It is 1:35 p.m. and we are at 92%.
Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Have a good one.
Okay, Fisher, Michael Fisher, Mr. Mobile, you might know him. He's one of the people that shares the studio with me, and he was in here earlier and was kind enough to leave that air conditioning running. But I have to say, it doesn't seem to be doing too much. We have another one. We need to put in a second one. But I recently had surgery, so I'm not supposed to lift things that are more than 20 pounds. This box actually says on it that it's 19, so good, right? But the air conditionings are definitely a lot heavier than that. So they're doing it. They've got one in. They're gonna do the next one hopefully soon, and then we'll see if this space just has such high ceilings and we'll ever be able to cool it properly. So this is the air conditioning in question. It's the first one that we installed. It's on as low as it'll go. And sitting right here, it's actually okay, but over here where my desk is, not so much. Okay, done working here for a while. But I think Fisher and Amel, two of the guys that share this space with me that you guys might know, are down to get dinner and drinks nearby. So let's go do that. But first, since we haven't really in a very long time, let's check in on the battery. It is 8:07 p.m. and we are at 65%.
Hey Google, turn off the work lights.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers, gentlemen.
Good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you. What are you using as a phone?
This is my Nokia N95. Do you not have one yet?
No, it looks very futuristic and high tech though.
Yeah, man. Anyone is getting one. You can slide it both ways.
Oh, it goes both ways. That's great.
I bet you didn't know that because you only have a counterfeit one.
I do, sadly.
Gentlemen,
It has always been a pleasure, David.
as always, but calling it a night.
See you in a couple days. Imagine I'll hang out with you again sometime
Have a
in
good
our
time.
lives.
Hopefully at some point.
Yeah.
Not too soon though, okay? Hi, sorry about that. Hi, how are you? Yeah. Alexa, turn on the living room.
Okay, calling it a night. And let's check on the battery again. It is 11:18 p.m. and we are at 56%. And here is my screen on time and my usage, just for anyone who's curious. Also, here's my screen on time and usage for a previous day that I was using the phone, where I used it a bit more than I did today. There you go. Let me know what you guys think of this phone, of this video. I was trying to do more of a vlog style. I think I just enjoy that a little bit more, but curious what you guys think. Do you enjoy it? I would love to know. Let me know about that in the comments as well. As always though, regardless, thanks for watching.